Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to write a program that iterates through a dictionary and print its key and value separately. So first, what we are going to do is we are going to define a function named print dictionary, and inside we are going to give an input of a dictionary. So the variable name here we have given is dictionary. Next, we are going to use for loop. So for every value of key and pair, so every pair of key value pair, okay, in dictionary dot items. So this pair will iterate through the dictionary using dictionary dot items, and it will print key and value. So here we are using the format to print the key and value of the dictionary. Now let's take an example dictionary. This is an example dictionary. The name of the dictionary is example dic. Okay, equals to apple. Uh, these are the keys: apple, banana, orange, and these are the value 10, 5, 8. So left side is the key, and right side is the value. Okay, so this is we have given three keys and three key value pairs in this example dictionary. Next, we are going to print key and values, keys and values. So we are going to print just one line, printing keys and values of the dictionary. And next, we are going to call example dict in this print dictionary function. Okay, so we have done nothing. We have just passed this dictionary in this function. That's it. And when we look at the output, printing keys and values of the dictionary, we can see we have three outputs: key apple value 10, key banana value 5, key orange value 8. Okay, so this is how we can iterate through a dictionary and print its key value pair using items. So that's it for today. I have used Google Collaboration for this video, and you can check my code on GitHub. Thank you so much.